Good morning everyone. My name is Saurav. I am from class 11 from Divine Dale International School, Sherpur. We are from team organizers. These are my friend Gulshan and Nisika.
The title of our project is harmful gas detector. We may, if any harmful gas like carbon monoxide or other harmful gases spread a certain limit or cross a certain limit of concentration, we use a MQ7 sensor that detects the harmful gas and give a certain alert to the user.
We use in this project Arduino Uno MQ7 sensor that detect the carbon monoxide gas that is harmful for us, and we use MQ135 sensor that detect the all harmful gases, and we use servo motor and ultrasonic sensor also.
MQ7 help us to detect the highly concentration of any harmful gas like carbon monoxide. If the concentration of CO increases, the analog output rises, and our Arduino catches that increasing analog value, and it gave a certain alert to the user.
Now my friend Gulshan tell you about the purpose of this model.
Our purpose is to save the people that work in factory. In factory, most of people did not die with fire, but they are died with harmful gases like carbon monoxide. Like few years ago in Delhi, a factory catch fire. Most of people did not die with fire; they are died with harmful gas.
We can use this project in many ways, like for industrial purpose, because we know that carbon monoxide is also known as silent killer, and because of this many people died. We can also use it for our home and kitchen safety, our vehicle safety, and for research and education, so that children also may learn about this project.
Now we can tell you about the work of this model.
We take a piece of wood that releases harmful gas, that is carbon monoxide. If a factory inside.
Now you can see how our model works. We can use it in many ways, like in home and kitchen safety, vehicle safety, in industrial uses, and for research. Thank you.